In today's video, I will show you how to get a refund for a payment you sent through your Cash App account. Now, while refunds are not always guaranteed, there are a few options you can try depending on your situation. Whether you accidentally sent money to the wrong person, entered an incorrect amount, or need to resolve an issue with a payment, knowing the right steps can help you handle the situation properly. So, the first option is to check your Activity tab and find the payment you sent. You can tap on the transaction to view the details and check its current status. In some cases, if the recipient has not accepted the payment yet, you may see a cancel option. You can simply tap it, follow the instructions to confirm the cancellation, and the money will be returned to your Cash App balance. It is also a good idea to save important transaction details, such as the payment amount, date, recipient information, and transaction ID, as these details may be useful if you need to contact Cash App support later. However, if the payment has already been completed, your next option is to request that the recipient send the money back. The recipient can open the payment, review the transaction details, and use the refund option to return the funds to your account. Just keep in mind that completed payments cannot always be reversed, and the recipient must usually approve the refund request. If you're unable to get the money back through these options, you can always contact Cash App support for additional assistance. To do this, open your Cash App account, tap your profile icon, select support, and then choose the option to start a chat. Once there, explain your situation clearly and provide any available transaction details so the support team can review your request. For future payments, always double-check the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email address before confirming a payment to help avoid sending money to the wrong person. And that's how you can refund a payment on your Cash App account. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.